Hi there, Chris from TotallyEV, and here I'm at Goodwood, and I've got the pleasure of sitting inside this Volvo car which has been specifically tuned by Sennheiser. Now the Sennheiser Ambeo system is unlike anything you've potentially ever heard before. It uses actuators which are made by Continental and combines that with physical mid-range, tweeters and full range drivers which are dotted around the cabin, 21 speakers to be in total, including the actuators as well, to produce a 3D sound. Now most people will be like, oh, 3D sounds, I've come across that before in cars, some higher end system in other vehicles, including ones from potentially from Volvo here. But this is really quite unique. Subjectively, I can tell you from sitting in the car myself with my own ears that the audio system with the Ambeo mode enabled truly revolutionized the 3D sound and the spatialness that you get in this car. Now the actuators, from what I am aware, are built into the frame, the top frame of the car, and you've also got speakers which are built into the headrest. There's 2 speakers in total on either of the headrests. As a result, what you get is a really nice spatial sound, and one that truly can't be replicated by normal mid or full range drivers, which you would normally find in other systems. Now, this is a prototype car, and yet, despite the prototype nature of this car, I am very, very impressed, and I'm very much excited to see potentially Sennheiser's Ambeo system being integrated in future vehicles, be it in 2022, for example, or beyond. I'm sure we're going to see Sennheiser Ambeo system, because if any manufacturer and product manager sits in this car or a car that has an Ambeo system, they'll be truly impressed. And that's just my subjective opinion. Of course, you know, people might disagree. So let me know in the comments below if you are excited or not to see the Sennheiser Ambeo system in a vehicle. Is it something you'd potentially buy in terms of like an option? If it was an option to buy in a car, for example, a Volvo XC60, would you go for the Bowers & Wilkins? Would you go for the standard system, or would you go for the Ambeo system if you had that option? Personally, I know what I would go as an audiophile, but of course, that's just my opinion. If you like this video, make sure you give it a like and subscribe to see more, and of course, favorite and share to always help the channel grow. All right, I've been Chris from TotallyEV. Take care and bye-bye.